Hello traders, my name is Yaroslav Burchenko, Chief Market Analyst at OlympTrade.com, and I welcome you to today's video about the psychology of trading. Now we are going to discuss the fear of making a mistake and how you can get over that fear and how you can switch sides on a trade and be okay with it, and also how you can take responsibility for taking a negative trade or how to take responsibility for the negative trade. Now, let's start with just by describing what is the fear of making a mistake bias. Basically, a trader is afraid to accept his mistakes and to avoid situations where he or she feels guilt. That is a normal human reaction, normal human response, and our jobs as a trader is to fight those basic primal instincts in ourselves. A real life example would be a trader does not close his or her position when it is in the red, when it is not making him money, but in fact losing his money. You know, normal people, they hold on to those trades. That is exactly the opposite of what you have to do. Often also traders miss out on profit and take on losses because they're unable to admit and accept their mistakes. First and foremost, we need to accept the responsibility that we are in charge for each and every one of our trades. The broker does not hold responsibility. Our person on the opposite side of our trade does not take responsibility. We do, in fact, take responsibility. Losing trades, they deplete your account balance. They have to go. Every time your losing trade drops down into the negative, that means you must have taken the wrong trade. You must have gotten in too early, which is usually the case most of the time. Try not to let your pride get in the way. Try to just admit that you're wrong. And basically what a P&L of a trader looks like is it goes up a lot, goes down a little, goes up a lot, goes down a little. And those down a littles, you cannot get rid of. There will be times when the market just does not function like you think that it should. So without further ado, we are going to finish this off. I want to remind you guys that you got to let your profitable trades grow, and that as soon as the trade goes against you, you got to get rid of it. Watch your losses. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. Check out our other videos on our OlympTrade Global YouTube channel. There is a ton of really good information that you can use to make your trading even profitable, to make yourself a consistently profitable trader. Thank you guys for your time. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko. Together with OlympTrade, we wish you guys good luck trading out there. Peace.